A bit of a different video this week. I've been busy changing my workshop round, so I thought I'd give it a little tour. If you want to see what my workshop looked like before, a few years ago, I'll link a video to when Rich the Beard did an invasion and spotted me, and if you want to know a little bit more about me as well. This is my garden when I walk out. It's not much, but we like it. A little bench, pond, a couple of coffee in. My granddaughter's little house that she loves playing in. A little bar table, storage shed, log store, little kindling store in the corner, utility shed with a dryer in and storage. This is my missus's workshop, and if we're really quiet, we might be able to get a look in and see how messy it is.
Level of melodrama the situation requires.
Say hello.
He huffed out a short laugh.
Say hello.
She went on.
What's up?
I want
Everybody on YouTube.
Piss off, no!
These are my little dogs.
Not the
That's
Who are
Ebony
you talking
but
to?
enough to know who
and
I'm lying
Snoop.
next to.
Stuff me eyes all
Enough to
over,
not
you
think.
weirdo.
Don't worry about your hair, you're beautiful.
Shut up,
Let's
you
look how messy it is in
What
here.
do you want me to have of yours? He asked. All of it, she said. The good, the broken. The mornings where I'm
Sewing
too tired to
machine.
speak, and the nights when I can't stop
Say hello,
painting.
Mel.
No.
The days when I'm brave, and the days when
She's
I'm
got
not.
crickets and stuff
You
as
think I
well.
can handle that? I think you've already started.
Say bye-bye,
she
Mel.
said. He exhaled. Then he beckoned.
Embarrassing it. Right. So that's Mel's entrance to hers. This is mine. 8x6 shed. Messy. Log store. He's tidying up a lot of this I've just took out of my shed. That log store's full of laburnum. If anybody's ever up this way and wants some and they like filling cracks with resin, because a lot of it is split, then come and get some. It's free. So this is my shed back of my door. Diesel eater, bandsaw that needs a blade. Shut that door. It's where I keep my chair. It's got a few bits under there, but nothing to really talk about. Underneath there is where all my wood is. Wood that needs cutting, pre-cut wood. Over here, got my dust mask. Little sign my daughter bought me. The Yorkshire Grit hat that I won on a competition. These are all little bits of wood that I don't throw away. Computer, drills, all Jason Salisbury craft colours in there, plus some new ones that I'll be doing on a video. These are all unfinished projects that I might do a live one day and just finish them and get all them away. Bits of storage, engraving stuff, Allen keys, fixings, Axminster bolts and Allen keys, drill bits, general stuff like that. It's what my lathe that doubles up as a desk when I'm not turning. I've just been watching Doug Miller's live, catching up on what I missed last night. That is an extendable arm that I use this camera on to film all my videos on YouTube. It comes all the way around my lathe so I can get a good field of view. Very simple but effective. Air cleaner, cam vac, dust extractor, shop vac, more storage. That goes fixings and I think what's in that one? Fixings and spare wheels for my grinder, mountain bike parts, anything to do with electrics. Bottom one's just a mishmash of stuff. In this one we've got computer leads and that, cables, angle grinder, sander and discs, finishers that I don't use that often, and that's all colouring and embellishing stuff. This is a bit for where I chuck bits of wood that'll go for firewood. Bench grinder, 6-inch. I've had this bench grinder 5 years, I think it was 40 quid. CBM wheels, that's an 80, that's a 180. Tormek bench grinder attachment, Tormek universal support that I made my own base for, just so it's a bit higher up than that, than this one. All my Tormek jigs and sharpening stuff, Yorkshire grit, sanding stuff, mallet, calipers, Glent Eagle tools, rough and gouge, sign my daughter bought me for Christmas, handmade tools, that's a beading and parting tool, it's a flat scraper, and Glenn's little business card thing, sanding disc, button jaws, small O'Donnell jaws, worm screw choke, SK114, SK114, SK100, that's now called a GK100, and a GK88. I love that little chuck. Eccentric chuck on my Axminster lathe, burning wire, handleless tools that go into either that handle or that handle, various Morse taper tool bits, Simon Oak scraper, swan neck, skew chisel, sander, parting tool. You can see what they are. If I cover this dress up, this was some packaging that I got some jeans in that an artist did some drawing on back pocket, and I just thought his packaging was cool, so I kept that. He also decorated a little 8-track tape, I've kept that as well. And then my sticker wall, Melody hiding, little extractor fan, sockets, and this is little Gav that my missus made, and that's just a little gnome that she made as well. That's a little box that I made on one of my videos, and it's had most views out of anything. 2,500 that's had. That's a clock that were in my dad's family for years. I can always remember it not working on my granddad's wall, and my dad kept it in his cellar. When my dad died, my mum were having a clear out a few months later. I decided I was having a workshop, so I put it in here, and it started working for about 30 minutes and then stopped working again, but that could just be a coincidence. And that's it. So yeah, an 8x6 shed, my little sanctuary. So thank you for watching this. There will be a proper video out next week. I don't do stickers anymore, because I don't like giving my address out to random people on the internet, to be honest, but if I ever go to any shows or anything, I do text them with me and give them people. Most of them come from Makers Central in Birmingham a few years ago. That were a good day out. So yeah guys, that's it. Thank you for watching, and peace.